Hey everyone, a really quick additional video to the video I put out last night on the Injector kit. If you want the best Injector kit in the world with the best customer service in the world, the add-on extra items, $132 extra if you want. The timber dowel for cleaning the ports, the molly coat for all the reasons we've showed where you use that in the videos in the VIP group, the ultra grey, you don't need it if you've already got it, the crow's foot spanner 17mm for the fuel pipes, the red caps to cap the common rail, and it comes in a couple little bags like that. Bada bing, bada boomski. You can send them back if you don't need them, if you finish with them, but if you want them, add 132. Just read the whole message when I send you the purchase message and you'll be able to work it out. You can keep them, you can not purchase them, or you can send them back for a credit afterwards. Just read the message when you message me. Thank you. Oh, and the last thing is, with the bank details, the banks have not been checking names and account details for decades. They didn't care. It didn't matter. Now they've started doing it recently. Every second time I pay someone, it says the account name doesn't match the account number. I press proceed and continue anyway. So please make sure you send me the right details. Otherwise, it's going to go to the wrong account. When people go to pay me, every second time I get a message from someone saying, oh, guess what? The account name doesn't match the bank account. And I have to say, just proceed, don't worry about it. And they probably start thinking it's a scam. So as long as the account number ends in 703 and the BSB ends in 599, that's me, bada bing, bada boom. Same message I've been sending out for decades. It's going to be right, not wrong. You just double, triple check that you've put in the right numbers at your end. And if it says it's all good to go, you proceed, and we're in business. Happy days. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, turn the bell on so you don't miss the next one. Catch you in the next video. See ya.